In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can earn up to $450 every single day, all by the power of watching ads. Yes, you heard that right. Earning money just by watching ads. Today's method is incredibly easy to do, and it's a very quick way to earn money too. It's free, which means you won't need to pay for anything at all. Because we don't want you to pay for anything at all. It's that simple. And all of you know that with Money Shark, we only give you the best, the easiest, and the fastest ways to make the most amount of money online, since that's all we know to do, of course. We want you guys to be hooked up with only the best methods possible, so you can trust that we would never let any of you guys down, especially when it comes to making money online. This can be done from any part of the world, but the only real way to know is if you have try it, and so that you make sure that you do. We're gonna make you guys so rich that the life you have right now will be nothing compared to the life you will have after watching today's video and all of our other videos for you. This method today is insane, and you probably will have such a hard time believing it, but you might as well just watch to really know. You won't need any skills or experience. Plus, you can do this on your phone. So even if you're out with your friends or if you're on a lunch break from your 9 to 5 job, this method works according to that. If you're not doing anything at all, then all the better. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so here's what's going to happen. First, we're going to teach you how you can sign up for a free account. Next, we're going to teach you how you can set up a passive income strategy so that you can continuously earn without even doing anything. So the first website is called PTC Share, and to the website you can just type in ptcshare.com, and this is what you should see. PTC Share is more than just a pay-to-click. Tons of ways to earn money for free. Interact with advertisers and earn up to $1 per ad view. We value loyalty, hard work, so you can build up your earnings over time. And they also claim to have offer walls, surveys, and more. They also have low cash out limits, processed daily. As you can see over here, there are the top earners in the last 48 hours. People earning $5 all the way to $18 in just a span of 2 days. And over here are the last cash outs made, so you can literally cash out as low as $1 and earn as much as $55, which is absolutely insane. There are about 540,000 users registered, over $192,000 already cashed out, and $520,000 that members have earned all time just with this platform alone. PTC Share is secure. It's supported by a high-quality secure system which makes sure all your information remains safe. PTC Share is transparent. All transactions made in their platform can be tracked. You can follow every single order that you've made with them. It's sustainable. They've designed a sustainable system based on real revenues made by real products. You can earn money online in just a few minutes. Earning with them is very simple. Once you register an account, there will be some cash ads already waiting for you. You will also have a welcome gift of 100 BAPs in your account, which will enable you to receive some more cash ads. While you wait on those, make sure to earn yourself more BAP by viewing a few of our advertisers' messages, which will allow you to receive even more cash ads. While you wait on receiving more cash ads, make sure to have a look at our offer section, where many various tasks await you with more possibilities to earn. If you scroll lower, you'll see that they pay out through so many different methods like Perfect Money, Payeer, Bitcoin, and Litecoin as well. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now we're going to sign up for a free account, and to do that, we're just going to click on the Join Us Now button, and that should then lead you to this right here, wherein you're going to provide all of the details being asked. So your username, password twice, email twice, confirm you're not a robot, agree to the terms, and then finally hit on Create Account. Once you've clicked on that, you will see this. Thank you for registering. Before you can log in, please click on the activation link that was sent to your registered email. Make sure to check spam folder as well. So let's go to our email account, check our inbox, and this is what their email should look like. And we just need to click on this or copy paste this link, and boom, account activated. Now you can finally log into your brand new account. To do that, just click on this button that says log in, and that should take you to here. Enter your login details, confirm you're not a robot, then hit login. Right away, you'll be met with something like this, and it says, welcome to PTC Share. You've just received 100 BAPS as welcome bonus. PTC Share is a bit different from all other pay-to-click sites out there, as we value members for their activity and commitment by giving you more chances to earn and grow your earnings. On this page, you have an overview of the most important things in PTC Share and your status as a member. Now, this is what your official dashboard should look like. It's a little confusing right now, but don't worry. We're going to be walking you through the whole thing, so just leave it all to us. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So here you'll see your balance and your points and everything like that. And as you scroll down, you'll see all the activity and tasks to be done and that are done as well. Now go ahead and click on Earn right here, and then you'll see all the different ways to earn on this platform. View ads, offer walls, surveys, videos, PTC walls, click grid, and refer friends. Our focus is obviously to earn from watching ads, so we're going to click on View Ads right here. As soon as you click on that, you will then see this. Activation ads, paid ads, and complete offers, so you can do these ones and earn up to $10 and more. You can just click on whatever you want to click on, and then you can earn the amount promised. The more ads you view, more offers to complete, the more money you can make. It's really all in your hands. Another way to earn would be clicking on Click Grid, which is also you can find under Earn. Now each of these grids contain ads. If you click on this box, an ad will pop out, and so on and so forth with the rest of the grids. You'll know that it's credited because the ads that you've already opened up or the grids that you've already clicked on will turn red, so you know that you're paid for. So if this contains 100 ads and you click on all of that, it's 0.5 cents per click. That's an easy $5 in literal minutes. It's amazing, and another great way to earn easy money in less than 5 minutes. The last option would be doing referrals, and that's how you can earn passively. You can go on Refer Friends, grab your link, share it on forums and different social media platforms, and if you can, share it with your family and friends too, and you'll be earning without doing any work in no time. With this platform alone, you can make money for yourself and have people make money for you all at the same time. So make sure that you follow everything that I just shared with you, because we know that you're definitely not going to regret it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.